Hi guys, sorry for not uploading another video yesterday like I promised. I just fell asleep because I was so tired. I fell asleep in my bed and I was so tired. But this video, this video is called Experts Divided Over Mysterious Black Cat Spotted in Mississippi. The video is 2 minutes 43 seconds long. And I'll do another video today because I'm trying to end the series. I also found some more Bart Baker parody songs that I thought I actually found 3 and I thought they were funny, so I wanted to show you guys. That's why I'm trying to end the series today by doing another video and doing the Bart Baker series again tomorrow. And then yeah, let's get on with the video. 2 minutes 43 seconds long. And make sure to subscribe to Now You Know and me, and let's get on with the video.
A Mississippi man was left scratching his head when he spotted what appears to be a massive black cat walking through a field, and even experts can't agree on what he saw. The strange encounter took place as David Sluder was pulling into a Wendy's restaurant in the city of Hernando, and noticed something amiss in the distance. After initially thinking that perhaps he was watching a deer or a coyote, he realized that the creature was actually a very large black cat. Having never seen such a thing before, he smartly took out his cell phone and captured some footage of the big cat stalking through some tall grass. According to David Sluder, he was around 75 to 100 yards away from the creature when he filmed it, which may provide some perspective on the feline's size. The nature of the big cat is apparently the source of some controversy in the state of Mississippi, as different officials and departments have expressed wildly different opinions. An expert with the Mississippi Department of Wildlife was quick to dismiss the mystery feline as simply a house cat and asserted that the pointed shape of the creature's ears confirmed that conclusion. However, the city and county animal control offices beg to differ, saying that the creature is the much more dangerous mountain lion and are currently on the lookout for the big cat.
Those who wait, the world says, move or move aside, which is what Drexel students say to
that is an absolutely enormous something over there. I mean, it's a cat, but this thing is gigantic.
Drexel gives their fire a place to burn at real.
I mean, I'm 100 yards away from this cat right now.
Because ambition.
I don't know what kind of cat it is.
Drexel.edu/ambition can't wait. Equifax, the credit bureau, breach.
But this thing is huge.
You had your personal data exposed. Retired FBI agent Art Kitzenmeyer warns that a crime wave called home title fraud may be coming. The Equifax breach likely exposed your home's title and loan records. Cyber thieves can see the equity you have in your home, and they want it. And because everything's online, they see.
So that was Experts Divided Over Mysterious Big Black Cat Spotted in Mississippi. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure to subscribe to Now You Know me, Yu-Gi-Oh! Unboxing and more, and Cyber Chris 10. There'll be a new video in a little bit for sure. For sure there'll be a new video because I'm trying to end it since I'm trying to do a new series tomorrow. And the video will be out in a little bit. And make sure to go subscribe to those YouTube channels. Please subscribe to me. And there'll be another video in a little bit. And there'll be another video tomorrow from Bart Baker. And bye guys. See you in a little bit.